guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, hi, I'm Ria and I make beauty, fashion and lifestyle content. In case you're interested in that, then please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. We're gonna have a lot of fun on this channel. I am not gonna disappoint you, I promise. So in today's video, I will be creating this beautiful feminine look with a bold eyeliner. If you want, you can change things here and there, but the other process is going to be the same. And I will be using all products from Lotus Makeup. All of them are under rupees 800. So yes, in case you're interested in knowing how I created this look, then please keep on watching. Before starting the video, let me tell you, for the longest time I wanted to create a makeup look using very affordable makeup. And let me tell you, all this makeup right here, Lotus Makeup, is under rupees 800. And if we can create a very beautiful look using this affordable makeup, and let me tell you, I've tried these products like once or twice and I really like the quality of the product. It's not like cheap, it's very good quality products. We will be creating a very nice subtle glam today, and I'm feeling very cute with this top and this background. I also want to thank Lotus Makeup for sponsoring a part of this video. And yes, without wasting any time, let's just get started with the video. Alright, so I'm gonna start with the eyes first. You guys know me, I always do my eye makeup before doing my base, because अगर कोई भी fallout होता है या फिर कुछ गड़बड़ हो जाती है, we can clean that up. So I want to do like a very simple yet glamorous look, if you know what I'm trying to say. So for that, I'm gonna first use this Lotus Eco Stay Concealer in the shade Royal Ivory, and I'm gonna prime my eyelids with this. I'm quickly going to blend that out. This is not like a full coverage concealer, which is a great thing if you want a natural look. It's a beautiful concealer otherwise. Now that I've primed my eyelids, I'm quickly gonna set my lids using this compact from Lotus. And now to create a sharp wing, I'm gonna use this tape. This is actually called paper tape, if I'm not wrong. This one, it's like not that bad for your skin. It does not pull it off. So I'm just gonna apply this from the end of my eye to the end of my eyebrow. Alright, so once I'm done with that, I'm going to use this eyeliner from Lotus again. This is called the Opulence Botanical Eyeliner. It also has almond oil in it. I am now going to just create a nice thick winged liner. So this eyeliner is pretty black and I really like it. I've used this liner a lot of times and I'm not gonna lie, this is a nice matte black eyeliner. So I have like created a very thick wing, and now I'm just gonna remove the tape. So as you can see, the eyeliner is a little messed up. Now what we can do is we can take the concealer, the same concealer we used to prime the lid, and just clean the edges. Alright, so our bold 90s liner is on. I think it looks super pretty and very retro, like the purani filmon ki heroine used to wear such kind of eyeliners, and I think it looks really, yeah, like that. It is giving me those vibes with this top and this background. So yeah, let's move on to the next step. And for the next step, I'm going to use this Eco Stay Kajal from Lotus Makeup, and I'm just going to tight line my upper lash line so that there is no visible skin. This definitely makes difference, and if you are following these small steps while doing your makeup, I think it makes all the difference in the world. And so now, before moving on to the next step, which is a mascara, I'm gonna use this Lotus lip balm to moisturize my lips. And I also have this lip plumper, which I haven't like tried yet, so I think I should right now. It looks really good, to be honest. This is a lip plumper which is called Pro Edit Lip Plumper, and it's lip plumper plus a gloss. So let's just try this as well. I'm scared. I've like never used a lip plumper before. I'm gonna apply a very little amount because I'm scared. Wow, it has a very minty cooling sensation also, and a fragrance also. It's very sweet and kind of edible. I just want to eat it up. That is doing its job. Let's move on to the next step, which is a mascara. For the mascara, I have this Lotus Makeup Max Lash Waterproof and Volumizing Mascara. It says that it is volumizing, but I think it's more like lengthening mascara. So you may not be able to see the lashes because of that bold mascara, but I really like the mascara. It's like really decent and good for daily purpose, because for daily purpose, if you're going for college or for office work, you don't want your lashes to be, you know, really long or in the person's face. You want them to be decent, coated black, so that it just enhances your eyes. This mascara is for that. So I'm not gonna apply any lashes because I want the liner to live its life. So yeah, let's just jump on to the face makeup. Alright, so I'm really excited to share this next product with you all because I've been like testing this out lately. This is the Lotus Makeup Eco Stay Insta Smooth Perfecting Primer.
If you have oily skin, clap your hands. If you do have oily skin, clap your hands.
Now you can see this part of my face is shiny because obviously I'm an oily girl. Now if you guys know me, my skin in summers is oily AF. So I want a product that is going to keep my oils in place for a longer period of time. So it is a really good product for us oily skin girls. Even for dry skin girls, if you have large pores here, it will minimize your pores for sure. So it's a really good product. Try it out. It is 100% cruelty free, vegan. What else do you need in a product, right? So this comes in a tube like this, classic Lotus packaging. Also, this is made in India, which is a thumbs up. Yeah, let's just apply this on our face. We just need very little amount of this, not too much. As I told you, all of these products are under rupees 800, and this primer retails for, let me just check. Okay, so this primer retails for 695 rupees. You just have to press it in. You don't have to like swipe it like a moisturizer. Just see where you have pores and just press the primer into your skin. It will minimize the appearance of your pores and will blur your skin out. If you want, you can just wear it alone. If you don't want to wear any makeup, just put a little bit of the blusher, lipstick, mascara, and you're good to go. But today we are doing the full meal deal. This primer, as you apply it, it just feels like you have locked your oils in place, and your makeup is going to be long lasting. So yes, do check this one out if you're looking for a good mattifying primer. And with that, let's move on to the next step. For the foundation, I'm going to use this Lotus Makeup Eco Stay foundation real quick. I'm just going to take a little bit on the back of my hand, not too much because it's little yellow for my skin tone. So I'm just applying it casually on my face. Okay, so this is also very sheer coverage. So this is like really good makeup for everyday basis, if you're going to office, college. And this actually shade is actually not that bad, to be honest. I'm gonna use more of the foundation to build up the coverage a little bit. So this foundation is very thin in texture, as you can see, which means it is like not full coverage, but it is going to be sheer to medium coverage. So I'm just gonna build that up because that first layer was like almost nothing, and now I'm gonna just blend this out. Yes, now we can see a little coverage. It is super dewy. We will definitely set that out, and that primer is going to help. Let's move on to the concealer. For that, I'm gonna use again the Eco Stay Lotus Makeup Concealer. Again, this is yellow undertone. Also, this is again sheer to medium coverage. You can build this concealer up. I've used it. Okay, so this concealer is definitely brightening because it has that yellow undertone in it. So if you want full coverage concealer that is going to conceal your under eye bags, then you will have to build this one up and use a little more than what I used. I'm gonna put one more layer underneath. Also make sure that you're dabbing the concealer under your eyes and not swiping, because that will make the coverage very less. Again, it will just remove the product rather than building the coverage. So the only thing is that they don't have like a lot of shades variety in their base products. Otherwise the quality of the products is really good. Alright, so once the foundation is done, I'm again using the compact from Lotus itself and gonna set my under eye. I'm gonna set the base in place. Make sure you're setting each and every line. It mattified really nicely. You can see this side of my face is set and this one's not. So it's like shiny and dewy, and this one's matte. And for the lip plumper thing, I am not sure if I can see a lot of difference. Do you guys see any difference? I actually don't, but definitely good gloss. I don't have any contour or bronzer situation from Lotus, so I'm gonna use this blush from them, which is the long lasting silky smooth blush. This one is in the shade English Pink. I'm just gonna use this blusher generously. You guys know me, I love blush, and this one's really good. I love the color especially. I love pinky tones in my blushers. Now this next step is really unnecessary, but I'm gonna use this eyeshadow palette from Lotus. It only has like 4 shades in it. If you can see, like these 4 shades, they come in like various other colors as well. So I'm just gonna use this pink shade matching with my background, and I'm gonna put that pink shade in my inner corners. You know what, I actually have an idea. I'm gonna use this blusher and apply that first. I have this idea in my mind. I'm so excited to try this out, and put this in my inner corner first to make it like more summery, cute look. I think that looks really cute and summery. I'm just gonna do the same on the other eye as well. Just for that little more pop, I'm gonna use this shade that we used earlier and top that off with that. I'm just going to apply the mascara very lightly on my lower lashes. So I'm just gonna coat them one time because I don't want too much. Okay, so you know what? I'm just gonna use this shade to highlight my face, and let's see how this looks. I'm just gonna use very little amount of this. I'm gonna take my blender and just blend everything in place for the last time. And for the lips, I'm gonna use a lipstick from Lotus Makeup. It is in the shade Bare Nude. I love this color, you'll just see why. It's not like exactly a matte, but a creamy lipstick, which I think is so summer friendly, and I'm into it. Alright, so that is full face of Lotus Makeup, all complete. I think it's so feminine, so pretty. I love this look. I'm gonna click a lot of pictures after this video. So yes, I really hope that you enjoyed. If you did, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in my next video now.